Welcome to the Sentinel U Advanced Practice Series. This immersive series gives nurse practitioners, physician's assistants or associates, and medical students the opportunity to work with 5 realistic virtual patients in 11 specialty content areas, practicing clinical judgment and working through patient inquiries, ordering diagnostics, and determining a final diagnosis and plan of care for each patient. This series includes scenarios in clinical content such as typical and complex adult encounters, adult and pediatric mental health encounters, typical and complex pediatric encounters, cardiac oncology and gerontology encounters, as well as women's health OB and GYN encounters. Learners will complete a module pre-brief before proceeding to individual patient encounters. Learners are able to complete each of the 5 patient encounters independently by working through the patient EHR. Learners will answer knowledge checks specific to each patient's situation to aid in clinical judgment and critical thinking as they advance through the simulation. This series' EHR sections include patient information and vital signs, inquiry, review of systems, full physical assessment, diagnostics, and final plan of care. Additionally, learners will need to demonstrate knowledge of billing practices for each patient using correct ICD codes with feedback. This product has several additional system features throughout, including notes, glossary, and reference list. Using notes, learners can add any information they deem relevant, which will be included in their activity report. The glossary list can be used to help identify any terms or acronyms they may not be familiar with, and they can view any relevant references to aid in content mastery at any point during the virtual simulation. The Advanced Practice Series also provides learners with the Empower debriefing experience. This facilitator-guided self-debrief encourages reflection and is included after every client encounter. The Empower model is Sentinel U's exclusive debrief technique, used to give advanced practice clinicians the tools they need to complete a self-reflection of practice for better patient experience and outcomes. The Advanced Practice Series from Sentinel U helps fill gaps left by clinical preceptor demand and limited practice sites, and provides learners with true-to-life, complex, and immersive virtual experience to refine their evaluation technique and hone clinical judgment, while also strengthening decision-making skills. This virtual series is academically aligned with AACN Essentials for Advanced Level Nursing Education, ACGME Core Competencies for Medical Education, National Organization of Nurse Practitioner Faculties NONPF Role-Specific Competencies, and Competencies for the PA Profession adopted by AAPA, ARCPA, NCCPA, and PAEA.